Welcome back to our channel, where today we're counting down the top 5 floral corporate gifts that are perfect for showing appreciation to clients, employees or partners. Now let's get started. Number 5. Succulent plants. Succulent plants are a great choice for corporate gifts. They are low maintenance and long-lasting, making them perfect for busy workplaces. Succulents come in a variety of colors and shapes, and they add a touch of green to any office space. Number 4. Flower bouquets. A beautiful bouquet of flowers is a classic corporate gift that will always be appreciated. Choose flowers like lilies, roses, or tulips in bright colors to add a touch of color and elegance to any workspace. Number 3. Flowering plants. Flowering plants like orchids, azaleas, or peace lilies make for great corporate gifts. They bring a touch of nature into the office space and can brighten up any room. Plus, they're easy to care for and will bloom for weeks to come. Number 2. Floral arrangements. Floral arrangements are a great way to make a statement. You can choose from an array of flowers, colors, and vase styles to create a unique gift that stands out. A beautiful floral arrangement can add a touch of sophistication and class to any workspace. Number 1. Customized corporate gifts. The number 1 floral corporate gift is a customized gift that is tailored to the recipient. You can create a personalized gift basket filled with their favorite flowers, snacks, and drinks. You can also add a personalized message or branding to make it a truly unique gift. That's it for our top 5 floral corporate gifts countdown. We hope this list has given you some great ideas for your next gift-giving occasion. Check out the description below for links that'll help you pick the perfect gift, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great floral ideas. Thanks for watching.